दिवचले रोटरक्टान आयतारा मॅरेथॉन आयोजीत केल्ली. हातूंत खासा म्हळ्यार पयलेच फावट सक्षम गटांतल्यान दिव्यांगां खातीर व्हीलचॅरीवयल्यान सर्त आयोजीत केल्ली. तातूंत 15 दिव्यांगांनी भाग घेतिल्लो. हांकां सगळ्यांक प्रोत्साहन दिवपाक कार्यावळीक दिवचलेचे डीवायएसपी जिवबा दळवी हजर आशिल्ले. RD Exco ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
नमस्कार. आज रोटरी क्लब ऑफ बिचोलींची 7th एडिशन रोटाथॉन हेल्थ सेट गो जाल्ले आसा हांगासर शिवाजी ग्राउंडार. सो हांव सगळ्यां कडेन मागता की थँक्यू फॉर युअर पार्टिसिपेशन. तशेंच आमकां खूब बरो प्रतिसाद गावला ह्या वर्सा ऑल ओवर गोवा, आवटसायड गोवा ऑल्सो. सो हांव मागता सगळ्यां कडेन की अशेंच आमच्या रोटाथॉन इव्हेंट हेंच पोस्ट जाता तुमी पार्टिसिपेट जावपाचे.
I really appreciate and congratulate Rotary Club for organizing a special run for Saksham runners. There were almost about 15 Saksham runners. They have just started their run now, and they are very much guided with the volunteers by Rotary Club. And this is good initiative. And all I have seen them all are charged and motivated. You cannot say that they are something. God has given less to them. They are fit and they are encouraged, and they are really heads off to Rotary Club for considering this new concept. Along with that, there were about 1,000 runners today. Run started at 5:30 a.m. First there are 21 kilometers, then 10 kilometers, 5 kilometers, 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers. Students separate runs were there. So heads off to this club, and I am very fortunate to be a guest of honor